Today, we are reviewing the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto, Lamborghini's new flagship hybrid supercar. This car replaces the Aventador and brings a completely new design and powertrain. Let's start with the design. The Revuelto looks aggressive from every angle. The front features sharp, Y-shaped LED headlights and large air intakes. The nose is low and wide, giving it a proper supercar stance. From the side, the lines are dramatic and angular. Large side intakes feed air to the engine and cooling systems. The car sits very low, and the scissor doors make it instantly recognizable as a Lamborghini. At the rear, you get a high-mounted exhaust, large diffuser, and exposed engine components. The design is futuristic and bold, exactly what you expect from Lamborghini. Now let's talk about the engine. The 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto uses a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 combined with 3 electric motors. Total system output is around 1,001 horsepower. This makes it one of the most powerful Lamborghinis ever produced. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes around 2.5 seconds. The acceleration feels extremely fast and aggressive. The electric motors provide instant torque, while the V12 delivers strong, high RPM power. One of the best parts of this car is that Lamborghini kept the V12 engine. Even in 2026, you still get that classic naturally aspirated V12 sound, combined with hybrid boost. The new dual-clutch transmission shifts very quickly and smoothly compared to older Lamborghini gearboxes. Now let's talk about handling. The Revuelto uses a new carbon fiber chassis, making it lighter and stronger. The car feels more stable in corners than previous V12 models. Steering is sharp and responsive. The all-wheel drive system provides excellent grip during acceleration and cornering. The hybrid system also improves balance because the electric motors help control power distribution. Braking performance is extremely strong thanks to large carbon ceramic brakes. The car feels stable even during hard braking from high speeds. Now moving to the interior. The cabin is modern and more advanced than older Lamborghinis. You get multiple digital screens, including a driver display and a central infotainment screen. The design still feels dramatic, with sharp shapes and fighter jet-style controls. Materials include leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber. The seats are sporty and supportive. Despite being a supercar, the Revuelto is slightly more comfortable than previous V12 Lamborghinis. Now, overall, the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto is a mix of traditional V12 power and modern hybrid technology. It keeps the emotional sound of a naturally aspirated engine while adding instant electric torque. With over 1,000 horsepower, advanced aerodynamics, and improved handling, it represents the future of Lamborghini performance. If you want extreme performance with dramatic design and V12 character, the Revuelto delivers everything you expect from an Italian flagship supercar.